What's up, y'all? It's your one and only Worldly Church Girl. So, I'm about to do something really out of my comfort zone. As y'all know, typically y'all only see me makeup and all that good stuff like that. I just did my show, my Friday night show. So, I'm about to show y'all what I do to take all this stuff off because I do not rock makeup every day. Most of us girls don't. Let's keep it 100. And the last thing I want to do is go to bed with any kind of makeup on my face at all. It's not good for your skin. It's not good. It's just not good for you, period. So I'm going to show y'all what I do every time I take off makeup. When I tell y'all I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, boy. And another thing, usually I take a shower after this, but you know, yeah, I ain't gonna see that part, but truth be told, I do wash my face before I get in the shower, makeup or no makeup, because I just have a thing about washing my face in the shower, because I don't like to get my face wet in the shower. So, because I almost drowned when I was little, and the fear factor of it all, I just can't. So, anyway, that's neither here nor there. So, I pull my hair back. Typically, my hair's up in the thing bob. So, put my hair up. That out of the way. I just do one. It's the same thing in the shower right now. Dry cap on my head. And do that. Okay. Take my lashes off. So I get my Neutrogena makeup wipes. The fragrant free ones. I just get the disposable ones. I mean the refill pack. Anyway, I got time to buy them whatchamacallit ones. And I go for what I know. I'm gonna be looking back and forth because my mirror's right here. Y'all right here. And when I tell y'all this is some for real bearing it all stuff, because I don't even like to take pictures on social media without makeup on. So to do this whole showing it all, bare all thing is really wow for me. But it's okay. One day I'll do a tutorial, I guess, on how to put my makeup on. I'll tell you right now, it's extremely unorthodox. Ain't nothing about it that these makeup artists are gonna like about it. Nothing. Okay. So I do that. So that, see, I don't know how some of these women, girls or whatever, all use makeup wipes and that's it when they clean their face and say their face is clean. Bull crap. All right, so that's just makeup wipes. All right, the next thing I do, I use Garnier Sensitive. Can y'all see that? No, so I'm sorry. Garnier Skin Active Water Rose Molecular Cleansing Water with rose water. Stack it in my little rounds. I'll clean my face with these. my husband would be like, why she be in the bathroom so long after you get done with the show? This is why. I know he's thinking like, okay, I don't even hear the shower running. What in the heck she doing in there? What's I'm doing? Clean my face. Y'all be asking, not all y'all, but some of y'all want to know how I don't look my age. And I say olive oil and Jesus, which I'll get to that, which is very true. A lot of it is because I don't want this mess stay on my face all day. Not calling makeup mess, but that's a lot of impurities on your face. Not including the outdoor elements and all that. Oh, and I clean my neck too. Y'all walking around with black necks and stuff, and rusty necks and whatnot. Okay. And all right, this one's probably gonna trip y'all out. I wash my face with Johnson & Johnson head to toe baby wash. That's right. I do not use any fancy face cleaners. I don't use any other stuff. I use Johnson & Johnson baby wash. Why? Because if it's gentle enough for your baby's booty, it's gentle enough for your face. And I have been doing this for years. Now, here's the other secret. I mentally say the ABCs twice while I'm washing my face. And I do the, now I know my ABCs, won't you sing along with me? And I say it again. So, yeah. So anyway. So that makes sure I got a good scrubbing. And again, I repeat, I do that twice. I will not be judged. And I started doing this with Johnson & Johnson. I'll say probably about maybe 6 years ago. Because I saw this girl, she had the prettiest skin. And I'm like, what do you wash your face with? She told me Johnson & Johnson. I was like, shut the front door. And I tried it, loved it, and been doing it ever since. Don't remember her name, but yeah. Then after I do that, then I get my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. Now, for good measures, because makeup can go over here by ears, I will go over here and get my ears. Then, because it's nighttime, I use olive oil generous. Retinol 24. If I was taking a shower, I wouldn't do this right now. But I'll wait until after I got a shower. But since I'm recording, so yeah. And it took me 20 minutes. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Me step out of my comfort zone and showing y'all how I clean my face after I go from a live to a reel. See y'all later. Thanks for joining.